What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is day, I'm not really sure, at this garage job. So we have it all rolled in. We have a little trench dug here, which is an extra footing because there's a wall on top of this, right in line with that. So we have to pour that a foot thick. It does a little jog right here. So once we frame, there will be a wall on top of that. But Rodrigo is just cutting a new sideboard for the mason dump. He's gonna run and grab us some more gravel real quick. And hopefully we can get all the gravel, wire mesh, and rebar done. But it might rain a little later, so our day might be cut short today. If that is the case, then this will probably be a two-part video, finishing it up tomorrow. But overall, we're in pretty good shape so far. As long as the rain holds off, we will have no issues. So I'm gonna hop in the machine and start spreading this gravel, and hopefully we can get everything done today.
Let's go.
All right, so Rodrigo just got back here with our last load. We didn't need a full load. I tried calling him after we got this spread, but he already had it loaded. So we'll have a little bit extra that we'll make a pile somewhere outside. But overall, it looks pretty good so far. Just got to fill in this front area here. All right, guys, so we got pretty far here. We got all the plastic in, bunch of the wire mesh, rebar everywhere. So the rebar goes every 3 feet all the way around. This is a little trench for a wall that we're going to be framing on top of that. So we put some rebar in it just to reinforce it. We have to dig a drain here somewhere tomorrow. So that's why this section is not done yet. Not exactly sure where it's going or how we're going to get it to the street. So working on that tonight, and we're going to figure it out by the morning. That way we can get it done tomorrow. But all the fronts formed and looking good. So got some dirt cleanup to do tomorrow. Finish up that. All this will get graded out eventually. The birds are having a field day over here with probably some worms in the grass and stuff. Probably not anymore. They probably ate them all. There's a ton of birds flying through here today. But everything is looking good. We just got some cleanup to do. So that pretty much wraps it up for today. If you guys have any questions about what you see or what we do, definitely leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.